How to send high quality photos on Discord mobile without using Nitro? Well, if you're trying to send a high quality photo, you can just send it in the usual way you send it. Because in Discord, to send video, you need Nitro. But if you want to send image, you can just send it. Alright, just click on the message. Once the message opens up, just click on the plus button at the bottom left corner and then just choose the image you want to send. Once you choose it, just click on the send button over here and the image will be sent. No matter how large the image quality is, it's going to be sent. The only problem starts happening is when you try to send a video, because to send a video, Discord Nitro is pretty much essential at this point. In the past, you could send below 30-second videos, but now you cannot send any video. Even for a 2 or 3-second video, it asks for a Nitro. So image you can just send without any problem, but for high quality images, you just have to do it in the normal way. Just upload and send it and you're good to go. And if it doesn't allows you to send, you can just always upload it on your Google Drive and send the link, the Google Drive app. This one you can download it from App Store, just upload it and send the link from there. You can watch how to send sharing link using Google Drive and it's going to show you the video. You can follow the steps and just try to send the link, because you can easily send link from Discord and they can open the link and see the image. But normal process usually works 99% of the time. So yeah,